Welcome back to another content of Solid TV. This video aims to provide an update about the Philippine Travel Registration System, also known as the eTravel Pass. eTravel Pass is required by the Philippine government to all travelers who are entering the Philippines or leaving the country. The system is managed by various agencies, namely the Bureau of Immigration, Bureau of Quarantine, Bureau of Customs, the Department of Migrant Workers, and supervised by the Department of Communication and Information Technology. To know the latest updates about the system, please watch this. You may choose to create your account or log into it in two ways. One is through the eTravel website at etravel.gov.ph at yung isa naman ay through mobile app. Mag-login gamit ang email ID and eTravel account password. Huwag masyadong habaan ang password at baka ma-late sa flight. Sa dashboard, you will find the history of eTravel transactions if any. Click the new travel declaration button to proceed. Please note that you may only register within 3 days before the date of your flight. Here, you have two options: if you are entering the Philippines or if you are leaving the country, and if your mode of transportation is via air or sea. In this case, I will choose the arrival registration and click continue. Enter the travel details: purpose of travel, traveler type, flight information. Destination upon arrival in the Philippines. Click Next. Fill in the health declaration fields. Declare your baggage and currency as applicable. Declare if you are traveling with a family member, the number of hand carry and check-in baggage. And if it is first time visiting the country. Sign the customs declaration form. Here, you are asked to declare the details of your travel companion if applicable. This is the summary form. Click Submit after reviewing the details. Then, your arrival registration will be displayed on the screen. You will also receive the same arrival registration in the email, registered at your eTravel account. Back in your profile dashboard, your current arrival registration is displayed, which you can view, manage, and download the QR code. That's all for the arrival registration. I hope it helps. After you have watched the arrival registration procedure, what comes next is the departure registration. Assuming that you already access your eTravel system, click the option which is Departure, leaving the Philippines. Click the button Next. Kung ang purpose ng iyong travel ay for work abroad, then dapat kayong kumuha ng Overseas Employment Certificate sa pinakamalapit na POEA dahil ang eTravel system ay re-retrieve ang iyong record mula sa DMW database bilang requirement. Input your flight information such as the airline, flight number, port of origin, flight date, country of destination, port of destination, date of arrival, address in your destination, then click the button Next. The next page is currency declaration. If you have substantial amount of currency to declare, then sign on the form. Add your travel companion if you have family members with you in this travel. Review the declaration form and then click the Submit button. That's it. You have successfully registered your departure travel. And the QR code is on your screen and is available for download. And that's it for the eTravel Pass. If you find this video helpful, please tap the like icon, click the subscribe button, and include the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye!